Welcome to day one of the Extreme Crochet Thrift Flip Marathon, where I prove you don't need new clothes, just yarn and creativity. Today I'll show you how I turned a t-shirt that was 2 sizes too small into something I can actually wear again with crochet. Hi, I'm Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome or welcome back. For my today's project, I'm going to use obviously my t-shirt that I want to make it larger. In addition to the to your t-shirt, you are going to need some yarn. I'm using here a blend of cotton and acrylic. This is a 50-gram balls, 185 meters. It is more likely to be a size 3 yarn. And then I have some size 2 yarn over here. In addition to the yarn, you are also going to need a crochet hook. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook, yarn needle to weave in all of your loose ends, a sewing needle, measuring tape since you do want to know how much you need to increase on the sides of your t-shirt, and a pair of fabric scissors. First, you want to fold your tee like this. Make sure that all the sides are really folded on top of each other, and using your sharp scissor you are going to cut starting right here at the top at the shoulder seam. I'm going to cut all the way down in a straight line so that I have a straight panel for the front and a straight panel for the back. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Now we are going to work first on one side, like on the right side of the t-shirt, starting from the bottom of the t-shirt, then working all the way up to the shoulder, and then working on the back panel of the t-shirt until you reach the bottom of the back panel. So I'm going to start first using my sewing needle. I threaded my thinner yarn into my sewing needle, and I'm going to sew the blanket stitch around the side edging of my t-shirt. So this is a little bit hard to pull through the hemming of the top. And I want to make sure that I'm keeping the same distance through my stitches, and that I'm also keeping my stitches more or less the same length. So take your time when doing this step. So you need to do the blanket stitch on both sides, okay? I've already finished one side. Now let me show you how to do this. You want to start on the right side of your work. Make first a slip knot and then join right here where this loop is from your sewing. I like to join with a single crochet and then chain up 2. This counts as my first double crochet. Under the same loop I'm going to make another double crochet. And then, so the trick is you want to make sure that you have the same stitch count on both sides. Now I'm going to make one double crochet under my first 4 loops. So into each loop, one double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then under the next loop I'm going to make 2 double crochets. Now this really depends on what yarn you are using. If you have a thinner yarn, you maybe want to make only 3 double crochets and then 2 double crochets under the same loop or into the same loop. If your yarn is thicker than mine, you maybe want to make just 1 double crochet into each loop. I'm going to continue now this pattern, so 4 double crochets and then 2 together till the end of the row. So I'm at the end of my first row. I have exactly 185 stitches. Now the next row, it's going to be chain up 4. This counts as a double crochet and as a 1 chain space in between. Turn your work and you are going to skip 1 stitch into the next one, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next one. So this is going to be the pattern repeat for the second row, and we have a 2-row repeat for the pattern. Let me show you. So I have 4 plain double crochet rows in total with a double crochet chain 1 space in between, and then I've continued working 4 rows of this second row right here, which is double crochet chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Once you've made your second repeat row, you are going to do 1 double crochet into each stitch. So this means you are making a double crochet into the double crochet and a double crochet into your 1 chain space. Yeah, so go ahead and continue intercalating these 2 rows to your own liking until you reach the desired width for your overall t-shirt. Once you've done that, you are just going to sew the sides together and leave a opening for the armhole. My armhole opening is, let me measure this quickly for you, it is 26 centimeters. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to subscribe because this is only day 1. For the next 7 days, I'll transform 1 piece of clothing every single day using crochet. Which piece should I save next? Let me know below.